Hey guys, John Taylor here with PrimeMyBody. Hope everybody's doing well. You've just plugged into a presentation on our company, so let's get this started. Our company was put together 3 years ago, a plant-based approach to wellness. Over the course of the last 2.5 years, we dived into the world of hemp. The world of hemp has literally taken us into the United States, Taiwan, Japan, Hong Kong, getting ready to open up Canada, getting ready to open up Mexico. We're basically taking this concept around the world. So you're getting a chance to plug into a company that's got a worldwide vision. And I'm going to walk you through the steps of why this is important. 2018, the Farm Bill Act was passed, signed by President Trump. 2014, President Obama signed it. So whether you're a Democrat, Republican, Democrat, one thing, everybody gets along with hemp. Everybody understands what the importance of this is. And there's a shift taking place where an industry is being deregulated and at the same time being formulated. Last year, over $590 million in the CBD industry. We were 10% of that industry. Over the next 3 years, it's projected to go from $590 million a year to over $22 billion a year. Deregulation. Growth is what takes place where you have the opportunity to plug into something and create wealth inside an industry. So deregulation is an important part of what's happening in the world of hemp. Now, Paul Rogers, our CEO, he's an individual that's worked with companies, taking companies from small to big, startup environments to over $600 million a year. He's taken companies public. The thing I like about Paul is he has also been a distributor in the field. He's been an affiliate like you, like me, like so many other people. So he understands the struggles that we go through and the things that we need to build successful organizations. He's put an amazing staff around him, people that run his company. They do a phenomenal job, a great team to help us take this around the world. He also brought on a chief medical advisor by the name of Chang Ron. Dr. Ron out of Houston, Texas has built the second largest functional medicine clinic in the United States of America. See, what Dr. Ron focuses in on, yes, he's a doctor, but it's not a prescription for everything. He wants to figure out functional medicine. What's happening in the body? What's causing the things not to work? He's put together some amazing products for us. He's doing some amazing tests for us with these products. Dr. Ron is one of those gentlemen that is very well respected inside his arena. His dad is the head of pharmacology at the University of Houston. His mother's an acupuncturist. So East meets West, West meets East. He does a phenomenal job of putting some amazing things together. Now he's brought on a couple of docs as well. Actually, one doc, pain management, Dr. Metter. You can look up his background, one of the top pain specialists in the world, and also a veterinarian, Dr. Ang. Dr. Ang studied at the University of Texas A&M, very well respected for their veterinarian school, and she's done some amazing things in looking at how this works on animals and the testing that takes place with animals. Now, as you start to look at what we're doing as a company, we really want to awaken your wellness. That's kind of the thought process inside of PrimeMyBody. See, on a day-to-day basis, your body is getting beat down. It's getting beat down by toxins. The air you breathe, carbon monoxide, you go outside, chemicals in the environment, you breathe that in, you're taking in stuff that's making your body toxic. The water you drink, the water you bathe in, the food you eat, the processed foods, the amount of gluten that's in food. Guys, today our bodies are overwhelmed more than they've ever been before. So you've got to have things that can help combat that. You've got to have things that get rid of toxicity in the body so that the body starts performing the way it's supposed to. See, pills, drugs, they don't heal the body. The body actually heals itself, but the body needs help right now to get some of these toxicities out of the way so that you can live the best version of your life for yourself and your family. So let's dive in. Why hemp? Why hemp? Well, see guys, you have inside your body, you have an endocannabinoid system. This endocannabinoid system was found by Dr. Raphael Mechoulam in 1993, an Israeli doctor that figured out that we have a 13th system in our body. This master switch that comes on when you put hemp in the body allows the body to function at a higher rate. It allows your body to do the things it's supposed to. So turn things on when they need to be on, turn things off when they need to be on. It really regulating the body. When I talk about our Hempel, that bottle does 256 things in the body at one time. So when you think about our product, don't just think about 1 or 2 or 3 things. Do your homework, do your research. But this ECS system, you can go study that. Women, if you breastfed, that colostrum that transferred over to the child is loaded with cannabinoids. You have cannabinoid receptors in your body. So understand your body craves for this. So again, master switch in the body. That's why hemp. Now our product that we've rolled out is called Recept. Recept's one of these phenomenal products. See, we've been in the industry 2.5 years, so we've listened to our field, we've looked at what every other company's done, and we wanted to build a product that people would gravitate to. One that would bring immediate results, one that people liked, trusted, weren't scared of. There are things that we wanted to do with Recept as they brought that out so that the masses could use this product. So you can see here, THC free, organically grown. People wanted THC free because they were scared of testing. You know, they didn't want to flunk a drug test. Organically grown, no herbicides, no fungicides, no pesticides, none of the harsh stuff that comes from the soil and the ground. Something that from the farm to your mouth you could trust. Sonicated technology, not breaking the blood-brain barrier with chemicals, but doing it all naturally, using vibrations and frequencies to break through the blood-brain barrier. And it's made in the good old US of A. So let's dive in on this. First, let's talk about sonicated. What does that mean? See, guys, we have liposomes. Liposomes is a delivery system. Most oils are about 6 to 10%. That's all you get from absorption. Ours is water soluble, so you get into the 80-90 percentile range of this absorbing into your body. Liposomes as well is a delivery system that gets into the cell, breaks through the cell wall. So sonicated are these big liposomes. Sonicated means we break them down even smaller to where they're 10 to 15 nanometers in size so that it gets through the blood-brain barrier really fast. For the John Taylors of the world like myself, this is like the seed going into the watermelon, not the watermelon trying to go into the seed. Understand it? You with me on that? Sonicated breaks it down real small so that as you use this product, you're going to get it into your body really quick with that. Now, here's where we love to talk about what we do. We love for you to understand that this is ethanol free. We love for you to understand that this has third-party testing. Third-party testing where you now have an opportunity to go and look, and we take this and we bring this to another lab. A lab looks at us, brings it back and says, here's what's in your product. We want to be transparent with every single thing that we do. So, created from nature, proven by science is the whole philosophy of what we do inside of PrimeMyBody. We're kosher, halal, manufactured. So we want to be able to take this around the world to communities around the world and impact the lives of a lot of people. This is a comparison. This is all the major companies that are out there, whether it's Charlotte's Web, Lixonol, some network marketing companies that are on here as well. The tops of the tops. Here's what's interesting. Network marketing sits beside some of the largest online retail sales. What's going on here? You know, network marketing is supposed to be this little fringe industry over here. How are y'all competing with the big boys? It's the first time in deregulation that something's being formulated at the same time it's being deregulated. So you got network marketing in the same playing field as some of the largest retails, as well as some of the larger pharmaceutical companies that'll be in this industry. We're all on a level playing field. But as you can see here, as you look at this, look at the CBD, look at the CBG. How many people are doing CBG? CBG works really well on the brain. You got a brain here, you got a brain in your gut, so it works really well in these two brains. So as you're evaluating this, CBD, CBG, 7 terpenes, nano, liposomal, you've got a product that is amazing, that's THC free, organically grown, and again, third-party tested. So as you're watching this presentation, know that we take every bit of our product serious about what we do, and we're better than any product on the market today because we've looked and researched and we want to deliver the best product in the market. We're also doing studies, we're also doing brain scans. We're showing people how they can take their body literally from toxic unhealthy to healthy, literally 30 minutes, hour, couple of hours as they use our products. And we're bringing out studies that show this. We don't make any medical claims. We don't heal, diagnose, prevent, treat, or cure any disease or injury. But we help get the toxicity out of the body so that the body heals itself. So not only are we involved with our product Recept, we've got a pet product that does a nano liposomal delivery product for pets. We've got a product that's a moisturizer. This moisturizer goes in, rejuvenates the skin, gets rid of lines and wrinkles. Stay tuned, got some big stuff coming in skincare. Just know this, $250 billion, $250 billion is going into skincare in the next 10 years. CBD and some other things working on the way you look and the way you feel from the outside in and the inside out is what PrimeMyBody is all about. So whether it's our moisturizer, whether it's our protein superfood, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, you chocolate lovers, smells like German chocolate cake, it is phenomenal. But let's jump into our compensation plan, because our products are phenomenal, but how do you make money with this? You know, the question I always ask people in front of rooms, in the next 5 to 10 years, do you believe people will purchase hemp products for their health? And everybody raises their hand, they nod their head, they say yes. So would you want to be a consumer, or do you want to make money, or do you want to do both? Do you want to be able to make money and be a consumer at the same time? $39 gets you in. So you get a website, back office, all the tracking of your business, real time, both here and around the world. A couple of $100 to about $1,200 gets you in to purchase product in our company, and now you're set up in business. Nobody gets paid a commission until product is sold. We pay 25% upfront money, so when people get in, go get 4 people that do the same thing you did, and you'll have an opportunity to make your money back. We've got customer acquisition, retail sales, preferred customers. We've got a 2-team system of building called a binary compensation plan, very powerful. $20 a week all the way up to $75,000 a week in commissions in the 2-team system. Matching bonuses, 7 levels. Residual income, 7 levels. All of this is tied together to help you build a team and an organization, both domestically and around the world. We're going to support you. No doubt about it. We're going to support you. The teams that we're going to help you build are going to be able to plug into conference calls, webinars, Zooms. You've got the ability to plug into an app that's got videos, studies that are coming out from our doctors. All the tools that you need to build a business, regional and national conferences. We've got a huge conference coming up June the 27th, 28th, and 29th in Austin, Texas. If you're serious about building a business, be in Austin. Not just for the training, the education, but get to know the people, get to know our culture. You know, one of the things we pride ourselves on is building a community of people that want to help each other. Not everybody looks the same, not everybody believes the same, not everybody dresses the same, not everybody has the same religious beliefs. We're all just a group of people coming together to help mankind. If that's attractive to you, then come be a part of this. Come look in the eyes, shake the hands of the people that you're going to be working with. We're moving into a cryptocurrency sale as well, an asset-backed token sale. Just know this, there's 4 companies today that are doing this type of sale. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Starbucks, and McDonald's, and PrimeMyBody. Stay tuned, go to pmbtoken.com, look at our white papers, and you'll be able to see what we're doing as a company. And I'll leave you with this, the last thing. Credible products, phenomenal compensation plan. A part-time person wants to build this in our comp plan, full-time, and even some of y'all that are looking to break the bank. Everything's here in this perfectly balanced compensation plan. But timing's on your side. See, the last 3 years we built this. I live in Houston, Texas, so I like to talk about some of the roads that were here. When I first moved to Houston, you had 2-lane highways on each side. And when you were going down I-45 or you're going down 59, you're going down these different freeways, you had 2-lane highways on each side, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. Today, because of how much our city's grown, you have 8 lanes on one side and 8 lanes on the other. So you guys in Los Angeles, you guys in Atlanta, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. But 8 lanes on each side. See, in PrimeMyBody, we spent the last 3 years getting these lanes put together so you could come build a business both here and around the world. You know, you're first, you really are, because the industry's just getting started. New products coming out. international expansion. We got an asset-backed token, our PMB token, and in 10 years from now, we'll be in stability. So come build a business with us. If you like serving people and helping people, I think you'll enjoy our community, where we're going, what we're doing, and how we want to focus in on helping mankind. So go through this presentation again, get your questions answered, get with the person that got you in front of this information, and come join PrimeMyBody. Come help us change the world one bottle at a time. And I will say this, at our conference in June, we're rolling out more products. So come get educated on this so that you can help us change the world as well. Hey guys, have a super day. Thanks for stopping by.